Hello everyone, welcome to Decorators in Python coding exercise. In Python, a decorator is any callable Python object that is used to modify a function or a class. It takes a function, adds some functionality and returns it. Decorators are very powerful and very useful tool in Python since it allows programmers to modify or control the behavior of a function or class. In decorators, functions are passed as an argument into another function and then called inside the wrapper function. In this video, we are going to see how we can implement simple decorators and multiple decorators. To start with, I am going to create a function def say test decorator and then define a function wrapper and pass the argument x then I'm going to print the result, and this print is after I call the function. And lastly, I'm going to return the function wrapper then I'm going to initialize my decorator, that is the test decorator, and define a function sqr, which is nothing but the square and here I'm going to pass the value. Let's say I want to find the square of any number, let's say 20. So this is a simple decorator. So you can see, before calling the function square and after, once it calculates the square, then it returns 400 and then it goes inside the test decorator function again and executes this statement after calling. In the same way, we can implement multiple decorators. To start with, I'm going to define a function lowercase so here I'm going to define a decorator through which I'm going to lowercase my string. Next is I'm going to define a wrapper then I'm going to return my string after converting into a lowercase and lastly return the wrapper. Next, I'm going to define a function split string. Then I'm going to split my string that I'm going to pass later. As you know, in the string methods we have lower and split as a function, the built-in function. And lastly, I'm going to return the wrapper. Now I'm going to create the decorator. And now I'm going to create a test function and I'm going to pass a string, say mother of dragons, and lastly I'm going to call my test function. So we have created multiple decorators. One is our lowercase decorator and another one is our split string decorator. So let's see. So there is some error with the indentation, so we'll figure it out. Sorry, I forgot to define a wrapper here. So you can see we are successfully able to implement multiple decorators where my string mother of dragons has been converted into lowercase using the two decorators that we have used. That's it from my side for decorators in Python. Remember, decorators are a very useful and important concept in Python. Thanks for watching this video.